Hey folks, Tim, aka Turbo BB. In this mini video I'll be covering the Prometheus Alpha Series lights XM18-B in again simulated camping usage. So with that said, get the headlamp on. Now, in case you didn't recall, the Prometheus lights, the XM18-B does feature a marine mode. I don't exactly remember what I last set this to, so with that said, I'm actually going to put it on my knee. That looks like it was high mode. Okay, so now this is on low mode. Fairly bright actually for dark adapted eyes. Sweep across the tent. Okay, one more pass. Now, I would say that in reality the transition between the beam and the flood, the spill, it's actually a little bit better. On video it's actually showing the hotspot as being extremely intense, but it's actually exaggerating it a little bit. So with that said, let's go ahead and get on the trail as well. Okay, so here's that trail again. As you can see, the lowest mode is actually very good for navigating around. Nice floody profile, and again, decent transition between the hotspot and the spill. So with that said, I'm actually going to go ahead and fire this up to the highest mode. Okay, switch it down to low mode. Now in terms of the tint, the auto white balance is actually correcting it for, I guess, a little bit cooler than what my eyes see. My eyes actually definitely see a more warmer tint than what you're seeing, but again, should give you a rough idea, at least a good idea of the beam profile. Let's make sure that little critter guy isn't still around here. Okay, back to that landing. Alright, so like I said, the lower setting, very nice wide profile, great to use. Perhaps a little brighter than what might be needed, but I'm going to get onto that tree there. Put it onto high mode. Okay, it's the tree at 40 feet. And try to see if I could center that up at the tree about 100 feet away. Now it is fairly late, so I'm being just mindful of the people around the campgrounds. I don't want to talk too loud, so. And I don't really know if I'm audible on the recording. If not, I'll just subtitle these. So now I'm back on the path. Okay. So again, I just feel that the camera, again, is not capturing the spill too well and making the central hotspot look a little bit more exaggerated between the spill, but go ahead and continue back to the tent. Just being mindful not to shine into other people's tents while I'm at it. Okay, so checking out the outside of the tent here. And back within the tent. One final pass. And that concludes this.